Hello loves, and welcome to BRE'S Project Book, and welcome to the first episode of BRE'S Quick Tips. And what are BRE'S Quick Tips? For you guys who are new to the channel, BRE'S Quick Tip is a video for 3 to 5 minutes long to help you organize and manage your home. Happy New Year! I am so excited by starting off a new year. And one of the New Year's things that we always do is make our New Year's resolutions. My New Year's resolution is a home management. A home New Year's resolution. And you might ask, Bree, what is that? Well, basically, it's just to kickstart the year in the right direction to managing your home. Here's a perfect example. Mail processing. Here I am sorting my mail. But before I bring my mail into my home, it is processed. The video will explain that in more detail. But right here, I have my mail that's ready to be processed or sorted. And I just stick it right here in my little mail sorter. At the end of the week, this comes out and it gets processed, either pay online or what have you. Then I take the mail, if it's ready to be mailed, and put it here. This lid stays open to let me know I have mail that needs to go out. Pretty simple, right? Well, the video has a lot more tips that will help you manage your home for this year. So get ready to kickstart your new year in the right direction. I'll see you on the next one. Smooches! Every new year, we set new goals to improve our way of life. Some call it resolutions, other life changes. How about making New Year resolutions for your home? Hello, loves. I have some great New Year's resolutions tips to inspire you to get organized this year. Tackle that clutter. We accumulate so much stuff during the year in cabinets, closets, drawers, etc. Get overstuffed with things we think we need or we'll get to putting away later. Instead, resolution number 1. Periodically purge room by room anything you don't use. Donate it to charity or give it to friends or family. Assign or create organization systems and stick with them to eliminate clutter. Safety first. A working smoke alarm or a carbon monoxide alarm saves lives. If you don't have these alarms, this is a great time to acquire both for as little as $40 or less at your local hardware store. Resolution number 2. Test each alarm in your home to ensure good working order. Set a schedule to change batteries in your alarms at least once a year. Use the daylight saving times as a schedule or the New Year's Day. Add these to your annual to-do list so you remember for next year. Create a cleaning schedule. A great tip for keeping clutter under control is a daily and weekly cleaning schedule. Dishes go in the dishwasher every night, dirty clothes in the hamper, and things put away in an assigned places. These are simple daily chores you can add to your schedule to help keep things in order. Resolution number 3. Have your daily cleaning schedule out in the open so everyone knows what their assigned tasks are. The chores will be completed much quicker, and there will be much more time to spend on fun activities for the family. Managing that pesky paperwork. Paperwork is the number one problem in my home for clutter. So I make time once a year, usually during the New Year's, to purge the old and make room for the new by purging outdated paperwork that's no longer needed. Resolution number 4. Keep the junk mail down by quickly disposing it then and there. I have a few bins at my garage door that enters the kitchen that I labeled shred, recycle, and catalogs. The shred bin is for any junk mail that are pre-approved credit or loan information, anything with my personal information on it. Recycle are coupon mailers, advertisements, magazines, and community mailers. And catalogs are any catalogs or magazines that we did not subscribe to. This way, any mail entering the home is mail that needs my attention. That would do it, my friends. I hope I've given you a few resolutions for your home that you can actually stick with. If you have a few home resolutions you would like to share, leave them in the comments below See you on the next video. Smooches!